My name is Hunter Boland. I'm from Valley, Alabama. I work at Briggs Stratton as a maintenance B. I recently graduated from Southern Union with an associate's degree in applied science. While attending Southern Union, I got an apprenticeship program through Southern Union and multiple companies around this area. I started as an apprentice, as part-time, and then toward the end of my college degree, I got transferred to full-time, and where I landed a position after college and now I'm continuing to work. In order to be chosen for the apprenticeship program, first you have to decide that you want to do it. They don't make everyone do it. If that's something you want to do, you're more than welcome to. What we did was we went and toured multiple companies around the area, the companies that wanted to participate in hiring apprentices. So we went and toured all of them, kind of wrote down a list as to which ones we liked best, which ones we liked the least, and we turned that in. Then all the companies came, we had a big interview with all the companies at once. They interviewed us individually. We answered questions from multiple companies the best that we could, and then afterwards they just sat around and I guess they chose which one of us each one wanted and kind of decided who got who. Since I've entered the apprenticeship program and been employed at Briggs Stratton, I have worked here a year part-time and 6 months full-time for a total of a year and a half. The skills that Southern Union teaches you while you're pursuing your degree, it gives you all the formulas and all the knowledge you need in order to perform tasks. But once you come and start working, that's when you put all that you learn in the classroom. That's when you get all your hands-on is at the job site. But Southern Union does a great job at giving you everything you need in order to know how to do it hands-on and in a real-life application. My name is Hunter Boland, and this is my Southern Union success story.